Okay, so this is a really cool 8-card transposition with 3 phases. Check this out. We have 4 fours and 4 queens. You ask somebody to help you out. There's no extra cards, by the way, just 4 fours and 4 queens. You ask if someone's right-handed or left-handed, doesn't matter what they are. You'll take these cards, the queens, and you're going to put them in their hand. And of course, you're going to use the fours. You're going to mix them in a special way. They're going to put a queen on the table, you'll put a 4 on top of that. Put a queen on top, and they can see, look at that, every card is exactly what you say it is, which is really, really a nice little touch. You're not going to move those 4 cards over, right off the top. You take the bottom 4, move those over. So everything's very fair and very clean. You ask them to hold out their hands, they do so. So you have 4s and queens, they have 4s and queens. All you do is a little snap, and it happens. You now have the 1, 2, 3, 4 fours, and over here in their hands are the 1, 2, 3, 4 queens. So we'll do it again. I know you weren't really expecting anything, so tell you what, we'll do 2, 3, 4 queens and 4 fours. This time, they get to choose which ones they want. They can either use the 4s or they can use the queens. They decide. Let's say, for instance, they want to use the 4s. That's fine. You put the 4s into their hands. You have the queens in yours. Watch real close. All you do is shake, and you can actually see that now I have the 4 fours. If those are the 4s, then over here in their hands are the 4 queens. Pretty darn magical. I say, watch, we'll do it one more time. This time we'll do something a little different. We'll take the 4 queens and the 4 fours. They get to choose again, once again. And it doesn't matter which ones they choose, 4s or queens, doesn't matter. Let's say this time they choose the 4s. You're going to put the 4s in your mouth. You're going to take the queens and put them in different parts of your pockets. And the last queen over here, which of course leaves the 4 fours. Say, watch. I'll do this as slow as I possibly can. Even though I have the 4s and the queens are in the pocket, watch. 1, 2, 3. Instantly, all 4 queens jump into your hand. If that's the case, then over here is 1, 2, 3, 4 fours.